Hey guys, Tennessee Yankee here. Hey, thanks for tuning in again. I appreciate it. When I did my overall Can-Am review, I had shared with you guys on the Can-Am trunk, which I love, by the way, that there's no place to lock it. So Can-Am really screwed up there without putting a lock on it, in my opinion. And a lot of times with the riding we do, we like to go to restaurants and things, and you want to lock up all the gear you got in there. So I want to show you with the solution I came up with, and it's pretty inexpensive, and hopefully you'll like it. So this is what I ended up buying for the trunk. It's a 3/4 inch by 2 1/4 inch marine grade rope loop stainless steel. Works pretty good. This was about $4 at Lowe's, $4 to $5, I don't remember. And this is what I did. So I had some stainless steel hardware. So I went ahead and just drilled some holes through the back of the trunk here, and then I ended up running about 2 3/4 inch, I think, stainless through there. It looks like they're a little longer once it all got pulled together with the washer and the lock washer. So you wouldn't have to be quite that long, but mine are 2 3/4. And then I just have this braided coated lock, and just ran that around the bumper and run it up through there with the lock. And right now it's pretty tight, so it's not really coming up very far. So let me undo this lock and I'll show you what the inside looks like. Okay, here's what the outside looks like without the lock on it. And then when you open her up, on the inside I just got I got my washer, I got a lock washer, and then there's the extra I had with that 2 3/4 inch screw or bolt. And then I had one of these laying around. Be nice to have another one of those just to kind of cover up the end. So see if I can find another one of those laying around somewhere. But overall, seems to work pretty good. And I'm probably just going to leave this coated lock right here, and then it'll always be ready to go when I want to pull it up and lock it to there with my lock. So hopefully this will be a good solution for you. It seems to work for me. Thanks.